Introducing U.S. Pool Supply. Heavy-duty, 220-gram, extra-thick rectangle pool liner pads for above-ground pools. Our U.S. Pool Supply pool liner is easy to install. Just level the ground where you're going to put your pool. Roll out your liner pad. Then, cut the pad to size for a custom fit. We offer 2 sizes to choose from for your rectangular-shaped pool. Our heavy-duty liner protects your pool from punctures, tears, and abrasions caused by most sharp objects and uneven surfaces. The extra-thick, 220-gram, non-woven geotextile fabric material prevents weeds from growing through the pad and into your pool. Our premium quality, extra-thick pool liner pads come in a variety of shapes and sizes to fit your above-ground pool needs. Thanks for visiting U.S. Pool Supply. Hit that like button, and please consider subscribing to our channel.